Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashley. Today I am doing a summer inspired bronzed look. Make sure you click the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel down below. Also, stay tuned to the very end because I have a surprise coming for you guys. If you want to see how I got this look, please keep watching. I've already gone ahead and prepped my skin with this St. Morris tanning mousse. I'm really loving this right now. It's by far my favorite. I get it in the color dark. First, prep my skin with MERCIER tinted moisturizer. It's always good to put sunscreen on your face, so don't forget that when you leave the house. For foundation day, I'm going to be using Kat Von D Lock-It Foundation. I discovered this pretty recently and it has been my favorite foundation I think I've ever really used. One of my favorites at least. So here we go. I know it looks really light, but that lotion that I put on was a little too dark, so it will work out. And I'm just pressing this in my skin, and we'll really blend it later with a beauty blender. For concealer, I'm going to use Tarte Shape Tape. And since that one is running low and it's a little bit thicker, I'm going to use Tarte Rainforest of the Sea as well. Okay, now I'm going to set my under eyes with MERCIER Secret Brightening Powder. I'm going to set my face with Banana Powder. Once again, I'm just pressing this in my face. I don't want to shift around my foundation too much. I actually like to bring that down my neck a little bit too, just so that it all looks cohesive. I'm going to use a little bit of Kat Von D Lock-It Translucent Powder, putting it under my eyes just to help with fallout from my eyeshadow. So for my eyes, I'm going to use my Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. Mine is super messy because I use it all the time. Okay, so I'm going to start with a mixture of this color and this color. Just a little bit of this color because I don't want it so dark, but I don't want it too light and shimmery either. And I'm just going to start building my crease here. So right under the brow bone. Now I'm going to take this yellow mustardy color. I'm just putting that right above where I just did. So it's pretty much right on my brow bone. But there's still space in between my brow bone and my eyebrow. There's still a little bit of space there that doesn't have any eyeshadow on it yet. Okay, so now underneath the crease color that we did, I'm going to take this caramel color. I'm concentrating this color mostly on the outer corner, but then I still sweep it in a little bit. So now we got a nice little orangey hue going, little bronze going on. Now I'm going to take a brush that has just a little bit more density to it so I can pack on a little bit more color. And I'm going to go for this red color that's right underneath the caramel color that we were just using. I'm concentrating this on the outer corner and the outer V of my eye, kind of what I was doing with the caramel color, but this one is packing on a little bit more color because I'm using a different brush and I'm keeping it a little bit more towards the outside than I did the caramel. And I also brought this color down to the lower lash line as well to marry it all together. Now I'm going to take this brown color, just a little bit. A little bit goes a long way, and just deepen the outer corner. I'm taking a fluffy brush that doesn't have anything on it and just blending everything out. Now I'm going to take this bronzy color right here, right above the green. I'm going to stick my finger in there and put that right over what I just did the dark brown in. Next I'm going to take this gold color, and I'm also going to stick my finger in there. Don't worry, they're clean. And now I'm going to just put this on the lid, going from pretty much the inner corner and then meeting up with that brown shimmer we just put. I'm taking a really small brush to do the detail work on my lower lash line. I'm dipping this brush in the bronzy golden brown that we used for the outer corner, the shimmery one. And now I'm also going to dip it in the lighter gold that we used for the lid. And I pulled the brown one all the way across, and then I'm starting the gold one on the inner corner and just kind of sweeping it to meet the brown one in the middle. Now I'm going to go into my Carli Bybel Deluxe Edition palette. This one is also another go-to of mine. So it is pretty messy, sorry. And I'm going to use the purple highlight that is in there. It's so pretty. And again, I'm just going to take my finger, but I'm doing this really lightly because this one is super pigmented. It is so pretty. So now I'm going to take that purple highlight and put that in the direct center of my eyelid. Now I'm going to take that fluffy brush and blend those colors together. Now for the finishing touches, this is my favorite part. I'm using Natasha Denona's Duochrome Top Coat Finish. It's so pretty. I'm just going to use a flat brush to put it on. And I'm just concentrating that where I put the purple holographic highlighter. I'm gonna put a little bit of this gold highlighter on the inner corner. And on the right under the brow bone. All right, now I'm gonna sweep off those eyes. Shade and Light palette for my contour. Now for brows, just gonna put a little bit of liner. I got mine microbladed, so for the most part, they're pretty good. for blush, I'm going to be using my BH Cosmetics palette. This light pink one is my favorite. I'm gonna use this Carli Bybel gold highlighter.
You think he's so cute? Keanu, say hi. Hi. Say hi to everybody. Hello. He loves to snuggle.
Okay. Now for my favorite part, we're going to be using this Sephora and House of Lashes collab for my eyeliner. And it is in the color... No idea what the color is. It's the bronzy one. So I'm just putting that in the inner rim. Okay, looking good. For lips, I'm going to use this lip liner to do a lip liner. The side I'm going to use is called Sunset Glow. Looks like this. I'm going to overline my lips just a little bit to give them a fuller look. I like to fill my lips in with my lip liner. It helps the lipstick stay on longer, and when the lipstick does come off, you at least have that lip liner on still, so you're not like bare naked lips. And then to top off my lip look, I'm going to use Anastasia Beverly Hills lip gloss. The color is Gilded. It's gorgeous. Holographic, almost bronzy color. I'm slowly getting over the matte lips. What about you guys? I'm kind of starting to really like glosses again. What do y'all think about this lip? I love it. As always, you could complete this look with liner, with black liner, winged liner, whatever you want to do, and lashes. Obviously, lashes always complete the look. I'm about to go out with some friends, and I don't want to overdo it completely, so I'm not going to do those things. I'm just going to go put on some mascara real quick and change my clothes, and I will be right back. Alrighty, and that's it. Of course, our final step is going to be spraying the face with a setting spray. I'm using Kat Von D's Lock-It. This is a step I literally never skip. I swear it makes your makeup like waterproof. Also, I love the Makeup Forever All-Nighter. That one is just as good. I just wanted to try out the Kat Von D one, which I love as well. So definitely need to invest in a setting spray. And this is the final look, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please don't forget to subscribe and click the thumbs up button. Now for my big surprise, for everyone who gives this video a thumbs up, subscribes to my channel, and shares this video, will receive $20 off a makeup service from me, including lashes, which is a big deal. Don't miss out on this. If you guys can prove to me that you've done all three things, like, share, and subscribe to my channel, then you will be getting $20 off a makeup application from me. So get your girlfriends together. You guys can go on a night out, or if it's for a wedding that you're attending, I can do your makeup for that. So don't miss out on this opportunity. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate everything. Y'all are amazing. Have a great day. Bye.